Hello guys, welcome to our first lesson, and this is Piano 101, and on this channel we learn by practicing. Great. So this is the piano at a glance. A standard traditional piano has 88 keys, and they are made up of 36 black keys and 52 white keys. Great. The piano has 7 white keys and 5 black keys grouped, and you can see these groupings. So 7 white keys and 5 black keys have been grouped all together on the piano in a nice fashion. The black keys are grouped in 2s and 3s. So as you can see, 2s and 3s. That is how the black keys are grouped. Beautiful. Now the names of the white keys. The white keys are named very easily: A, B, C, D, E, F, G. I want you to take note of the positions of the alphabets in the names of the keys. So where A is located, where B is located, where C is located, where D is located, all the alphabets. You should be able to show us the name of the key you are pressing. Great. Now to the black keys. We have 2 naming of the black keys. So this is C sharp, D sharp, F sharp, G sharp. Earlier on, you remember that this white key here is a C. When you move upwards, it becomes C sharp. This white key here is a D. When you move upwards, it becomes a D sharp. This is an F. This white key is an F. When you move upwards, it becomes a F sharp. So this is how the black keys are named. This is the second way of naming the black keys. So remember that this key, white key here is a C. This white key here is a D. When you move backwards one black key, it becomes D flat. This key here is an E. When you move to the black key right behind, it becomes E flat. So that is how the black keys are named. This is an A. This white key is an A. When you move backwards to the black key right behind it, it becomes an A flat. Great. Thank you for your audience. I'll see you in the next video where we will learn about sight reading. Like if you can and subscribe if you can. I will see you in the next video.